Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will start exercise 5.2 class 8. So in this chapter exercise we will study about pie chart. So what is a pie chart? Pie chart is a circular graph in which data is represented in the form of a circle. So this shape is called the sector here. This is a particular sector. This is a different sector. So basically what is a sector? Sector is a figure which is formed by two radius and one arc. So this type of figure is called sector of a circle. So now we have to study about the pie chart and how to study pie chart and how to form pie chart if the data is given. So in question number 1, the data is given, some people were surveyed and their choices are given about the music taste. Some like light music, some like folk music. So this is the data. 40% like light music, 20% semi-classical, 10% classical and 30% folk. So this is the pie chart given. So we have to answer some questions which are asked. So first is, if 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So number is given, total people who like classical music. How many people are given? 20. And in the data it is given that 10% people like. That means the 10% of total will be equal to 20. So now we don't know how many people were surveyed. So let us suppose, let number of people surveyed. X. So according to question, if 20 people like classical music, then 10% of this total will be equal to 20. And how to calculate 10% of x? 10 by 100 into x is equal to 20. So from here, x will be equal to 20 into 10, that is 200. So that means total 200 people were surveyed. Fine. Second is, which type of music is liked by maximum number of people? So we can see in the chart, whichever part has the highest percentage will be the most liked music. So here we can see that 40% of the total like light music. So second part answer will be light music. Light music is liked by most of the people, and classical music, as we can see in the data, is liked by least number of the people. Now it is given, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many each type would they make? So if total 1000 cassettes were made, so how many of each of the category will be formed in those 1000 cassettes? So total cassettes are given to us. Total cassettes 1000. Now we are given percentage here. So now we have to calculate number of CDs. So number of CDs of, first one is light music. That will be equal to 40% of 1000. So 40 into 100 into 1000. This will be equal to 400. Similarly, number of CDs of, next is semi-classical. This is equal to 20%, so 20 by 100 of the total, 1000. This is equal to 200. Then number of CDs of classical music. This is equal to 10%, to 10 by 100 into 1000. That is 100. And last one is folk music. So number of CDs of folk music. this will be equal to 30% of the total, that is 30 by 100 into 1000. This is equal to 300 gases. So we can take the total, check to verify. 400 plus 200, 600, 700 and 300, that is equal to 1000. So this was question number 1. Now the question number 2. Here the data is given. Total 360 people were surveyed and their choices of favorite season is given here. 90 like summer, 120 like rainy and 150 like winter. So the first question we have to answer is, which season got the most votes? So we can see here winter season is most liked. So winter season got most votes. Second, find the central angle of each sector. We have to find the central angle. What is central angle? In the last question we saw that here different angles were formed. So these all angles which are made of center are called central angles. To form pie chart, we need these central angles. And how to calculate these central angles? So first of all, I am calculating central angle for summer. Central angle is calculated by frequency. What is frequency here? 90 into total. What is total given in the question? 360 upon 360. The denominator is fixed. Numerator changes accordingly. The data is given. So here this will cancel out. So angle will be 90 degree. The summer will form angle of 90 degree. Then central angle for rainy season. So central angle for rainy season will be frequency, that is 120 into 360 by 360. This is cancelled, that is 120 degree. And similarly central angle for last one is winter. This will be equal to 150 into 360 by 360. So this one will cancel out, that is 150 degree. So these are the central angles which are made. Now in the third part we have to make the pie chart for this. So we will use this central angle to form pie chart. So first of all, make a circle using compass. Like this is the center. So we know that summer got 90 degree angle. So we will make a 90 degree angle here with the help of D. So you have to use D here to calculate the exact angle. So this will be our rainy season. Next is, this is summer. Next one is rainy with angle 120 degree. So make angle 120 degree here. So this angle is 120 degree. This is rainy. And the last one will be obviously angle 150 degree. 150 degree, that is winter. So to verify, we can add all these angles and these angles should sum up to 360 degree because the complete angle is 360 degree. So this was question number 2 of exercise 5.2.